guys, and welcome back to another one of my homeware hauls. This one is for my new bedroom slash office that I want to make over. So my back bedroom at the moment is just a bedroom, but I also have a desk in there, and I want to make it more like a home office and a place that I can do crafts and things like that. So this week I've been shopping for that room mainly. Little few extra bits and bobs, but it's mainly to do over that room, which I'll be doing soon. So let's jump into the stuff that I've bought. So a few quick wins were this bin from B&M. It's just like a creamy neutral colour, and it was only £2 because it was in the reduced section. And this cup was from Home Bargains, and it was £2.50. Now, if you saw my first home haul, you will know that I bought a bamboo cup just like this from Wilko's, but unfortunately I dropped it on the floor at work and the lid has had a little crack in it, so I decided to get a new one because that one is a bit leaky, even though I can still use the actual cup. So I bought a lot of artwork and frames for my bedroom office. So they were all from the Range. I'll start with this one. So it's just like a dark wood finish, and I'm going to put it on my chest of drawers as a little accent piece. I want some large artwork on the fireplace that's in that room. It's not got a fire, it's got a radiator underneath, and I want two big artwork next to each other because the wall isn't great either. It just probably would need replastering. So I'm going to cover it up for the meantime with two pieces of art. Now this is just a frame. Ooh, wrong way around. Ooh. Now this it's just plain black, quite thin. It doesn't come with a mount, but I've got some, it's basically an A2 poster. So I've got two A2 like pieces of wrapping paper. They have nice prints on. You can get them at like Paper Chase, and they look beautiful as artwork. So that's what I'm going to do with that. I'm going to have two pieces on my fireplace wall. And my my other piece of artwork that I almost didn't pick up. I saw it just as I was going out, and it's heavy because it's these, and it's a set of 5 prints. So I'm just going to open them to show you what they all look like. So it's a set of 5 botanical frames prints. So you get 2 quote frames, which is this one, do what you love, and also happy mind, happy life, and you get 3 leafy prints. The leaf prints are actually what I bought it for, because they're the things that I'm going to use in the room, because I want a hint of green. Because I've got a green chest of drawers as well in there. So this is what I bought the pack for. It was £10 for the 5 prints. So they're £2 each, and it still makes it quite cheap if I only use 3 of the 5 prints. So I also went to Wilko's this week, and I needed some plain pillowcases for like the back pillows of my bed. So I just bought these. So they are Oxford border because they're going at the back. They'll look nicer if they've got a border. They're just white, 180 thread count. And they did have 25% off plain bedding at Wilko's. I'm not sure how long that is lasting for. I can't remember how much these are. I'll put it on the screen. But I got 25% off this. And also I bought a valance for the bed. Now, if you don't know what a valance is, because some people they're not very common nowadays. If you can see there, it's just the white bit, because I've got a divan bed in my bedroom and the bottom looks a bit dirty, and you can't clean it very easily. So this should make it nice and neat and cover it up, and I can still get in the drawers because I just lift the sheet up. So that's what I needed that for, to make that all neat. I also got this mirror. I just thought it was really nice. I want to go for like a Scandi theme with like wood, black, lots of quite a few neutral colours. So I thought this mirror was really in keeping. It's going to go on my like dressing table section of the bedroom rather than the office bit. That was £7. Finally is my favourite item. So what I wanted to do in my office is have a pegboard or like a grid wire clipboard. And I've been looking on Amazon, and I'll show you a photo as what I was aiming to get. So I was going to buy one from Amazon for about £17. I thought there might be something cheaper in a shop that I could maybe get that would do the same job. So I was in Wilko's, obviously, and in the laundry section there was this wire kind of storage rack. What does it call it? Accessories hanger. So this has a hook here to hang it in your wardrobe, like in this picture here. And then also it does show you what I want to do with it, which is this kind of hang it as a notice board. But I don't want it chrome, so I'm going to buy some black matte spray paint and spray it. It does fold out, so it's like double the width of this, and I can screw it on the wall as well with these little holes here. So this was £4, and if you wanted it chrome, perfect, just buy this £4 rather than £17 for the one on Amazon. But I want it black, so I'm going to get some spray paint, so that will bump up the price a little bit, but it won't be as much as £17 for basically the same thing. So I hope you like all the items I bought, and if you're intrigued to what I do with them, please subscribe so that you can see my office bedroom makeover, which will be coming soon. I'm going to start it this week. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to me if you would like to see my office bedroom makeover, which will be coming soon. I'll be using all these products within the room somewhere, and I can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!